Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're running a busy kitchen or just love whipping up crispy fries, onion rings, or fried chicken at home, but hate the hassle of single tank fryers that limit your options, then get pumped because today we're checking out a game changer. It's the CROSSON dual tank countertop commercial electric deep fryer. This stainless steel beast has 2 separate tanks for frying different foods at once, heating up fast with 3,600 watts of power. And it's perfect for restaurants, food trucks, or even home cooks wanting pro results. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description and trust me, it's going to make your frying easier and more efficient. Let's dive in and see why this is worth your counter space. First, the feature breakdown on the CROSSON dual tank countertop commercial electric deep fryer. This is an ETL listed commercial grade fryer with 2 independent tanks, each holding up to 8 litres of oil, giving you a total capacity of about 26 pounds of food. It runs on 120 volts with a powerful 3,600 watt heating element split between the tanks. So you can set different temperatures for each, from 120 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, with precise thermostats. The build is all heavy-duty stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning, with removable oil containers to make draining and maintenance a breeze. It comes with solid fryer baskets, lids to prevent splatters, and height-adjustable legs for stability on any surface. Dimensions are compact for a countertop model, about 22 inches wide, 18 deep and 15 high, weighing around 30 pounds, so it's sturdy but movable. Setup is simple. Plug it in, fill with oil, set your temps and fry away. Priced around $150, it includes everything you need for restaurant quality frying without breaking the bank. Versatility is key here. Fry fries in one tank while doing chicken in the other, or keep one for veggies to avoid cross-contamination. It's great for high volume cooking like parties or small businesses. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are impressive. Dual tanks for multitasking, fast heating and recovery for consistent temps, removable parts for easy cleanup, durable stainless construction that holds up to daily use, and adjustable legs for custom fit. Users love how it handles large batches without overheating, and the separate controls make it super flexible. On the con side, it's a bit bulky for tiny kitchens, high power draw might need a dedicated circuit, no built-in timer on this model so you'll need to watch the clock, and some note the baskets could be deeper for bigger items. Overall, pros dominate for anyone needing efficient frying. My recommendation? Absolutely, pick up the CROSSON dual tank countertop commercial electric deep fryer if you want reliable, high capacity frying, and the pros like dual tanks and easy maintenance fit your needs. Ideal for home enthusiasts or small commercial setups. Before we wrap, if these reviews fry up your interest, hit subscribe for more kitchen gear tips. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.